Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb brush off. My colleague brushed off my feedback in the meeting, but I sent it to the manager anyway, and it got approved. She brushed off her friend's advice about the job offer, and later wished she had listened.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe!
So, what does brush off actually mean? To brush off means to dismiss someone or something, to treat it as if it's not important, not worth your attention, or simply not a priority. In a professional context, brushing off can show up in many ways. Your idea gets ignored in a meeting, a client doesn't take your proposal seriously, a recruiter gives you a cold one-line reply. When someone in a position of power brushes you off, it can feel frustrating. But knowing the right vocabulary helps you understand what is happening and talk about it clearly and confidently. In everyday life, it's just as common. You brush off negative comments when you don't let criticism get to you. You might brush off an awkward situation, you keep moving forward. Or maybe a friend brushes off your suggestion for the weekend plans. Again, sound familiar? The key idea is, whatever gets brushed off is being pushed aside. Like it just doesn't matter. Now, your turn. Think of a moment when someone brushed you off, or when you brushed something off and kept going anyway. Write your own example sentence using brush off in the comments right now. Commenting is a powerful way to show engagement and put your new vocabulary into real practice. I read every comment, so go ahead and post yours. Let's see brush off in action. Example 1. The sales director brushed off the initial rejection and kept refining the pitch until the client said yes. Example 2. She brushed off the pressure of the deadline, stayed focused, and delivered the project ahead of schedule. Example 3. He brushed off the negative feedback from one investor and went on to close a deal with a much better one. Example 4. My younger brother brushed off his fear of public speaking, joined a debate club, and now he loves it. Example 5. She brushed off bad reviews online, focused on her craft, and her second album was a massive hit. Don't forget, post your own example in the comments. It is the best way to practice, connect with the community, and make this vocabulary truly yours. If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.